Thank you so much, one and all, for giving this opportunity, and very good morning to everybody. Are you all with me? Thumbs up? Yes? Can I see thumbs up from everybody? Yes? Okay. See, my face is a little far away because I want this wider angle of in height and also in this on the width and breadth, so that you will able to see the asanas properly. So I'll come near once just to show my face and say hi to you all. Hi everyone. Wonderful knowing you all, and kudos to organizers. I am Dr. Selvanathan here from Puducherry, and thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful talk, and really grateful for associating with this session, and kudos to Vimalji and team. And let's begin the session. Come on everybody. Let's sit in Sukhasana, easily and comfortably. Sit comfortably and easily, spine erect, palms open facing the skies. Am I audible? Mritula, am I audible? Indu? Yeah, great. Okay, spine erect, eyes closed, body still like statue. Take a long deep breath in, and with bigger smile, breathe out completely. Like blossoming of the flower bud into a flower. Let's have that feeling and take a long deep breath in and breathe out completely. Imagine yourself that you're blossoming like a flower. Yoga is blossoming to the fullest potential of human beings. Let's get ready to chant Om 3 times. Take a long and deep breath in. Breathe in. Feel the impact of the chanting in your body and your mind. Be with it for a few seconds. Take a long and deep breath in and breathe out completely. Very slowly and gradually we may open our eyes. Miga nidanama kangalai thirakalam. So now let's learn something called Bhastrika Pranayam, and Bhastrika Pranayam gives you instant energy. So how to do Bhastrika Pranayam? Very simple. You already sat in Vajrasana. By sitting in Vajrasana, your hands will go up, fingers will open. While doing this, you will take a breath in. So automatically, can you all just do it? You just breathe in and take your hands up. Breathe out, take your hands down forcefully. So don't put your attention on the breath. Just simply raise your hand. Automatically breath will go in. Your emphasis should be on forceful exhalations. Just forcefully exhale, bring the hands down, and with your elbows you can gently, give a tap to your ribs. Okay, let's do it one small round. Breathe in, hands up, fingers open. Forceful exhalation, breathe out, hands down, and fingers closed. Come on, 2 more times. Breathe in. Okay, let's sit in Vajrasana. Sit comfortably and easily in Vajrasana. Spine erect. Hands in position for Bhastrika Pranayama. Have a gentle smile on your face. Take a long and deep breath in. And let go. மீண்டும் ஒரு ஆழமான மூச்சு உள்ள லாங் டீப் பிரெத் இன். அதை நிதானமா விட்டு விடலாம் and breathe out completely like a warrior with full force and enthusiasm. For Bhastrika, breathe in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 30, in 40, in 15, and relax, eyes closed, palms open, resting on top of the knees or thighs. Just observe the breath and observe the sensations. Feel the impact of pranayama in your chest region. Keeping our eyes closed, we may slowly come out of Vajrasana, sit comfortably, easily in Sukhasana. Saugariyama Sukhasanathil amarndhukalam. Sit easily and comfortably in Sukhasana. Take your right hand up. Take it at the back. Take your left hand forward. Place it on top of the right knee. Without putting any effort on the palms, just twist your body to the right side as much as you can. Sthiram and Sukham, being steady and comfortably sitting in this posture. Now put your effort on both the right palm and the left palm to go deeper on the stretch. Stretch, stretch and hold the pose. Turn your head. Look at the right shoulder. Keep breathing. Have a smile and hold the pose. Feel the stretch. Breathing in, slowly come to center. Left hand up. Take it at the back. Right hand in front, place it on top of the knee. Breathing in, gently get into the twist. Sitting body twist. And now with the support of both the palms, twist a little more. Turn your head, look at the left shoulder. Hold the pose. Keep breathing. Have a smile and feel the stretch. Slowly come to center, release the pose. Stretch the legs forward and bring it closer as if you are saying Namaste. You look at your palm, which is touching each other. Look at the feet. It will also say Namaste. Yeah, like that you keep it closer. Interlock your fingers. Gently place it below the legs. Straighten your spine. Like a butterfly, let's flap the wings. Flap, flap, flap. Spine erect. Have a smile. Let's fly like a butterfly. Raise higher and taller. Keep flying. Do not stop. Flap, flap, flap. Restraining the thought wave activity is one of the important aspects of yoga. Handling the modulations of mind. Keep flapping and slowly relax. Lift the right leg up, place it below, in between the folding aspect of the elbow. Right hand, bring it down, interlock the fingers and gently do this cradling. Lift your right buttocks up little and this will help you to go deeper on this. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. It is very important shloka by Patanjali Maharishi, where he emphasizes on yoga helps us to restrain the thought waves. And slowly drop the baby down, lift the other baby up, place it, interlock the fingers, lift the left buttocks up little and then start the cradling. This is very useful and you can see the impact of this on the base of your spine. Gently do as much as you can, and slowly drop the baby down, and let's gently sit up, hands in front, come on the heels, stand up. Let's get ready for a gentle warm-up. How many of you know this chicken dance? Hands up. How many of you have seen or learned or experienced the chicken dance? So it is very simple and easy. There are just 4 important steps in this. So you will hear a lot of music. So music will be like this. Pa bum 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 pa bum bum. Can you all say? Pa bum 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 pa bum bum. So this is how the music will be. Only 4 steps. So how to do it? Just listen and see. Pa bum 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 pa bum bum. Do it. Pa bum 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 pa bum bum. Pa bum 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 pa bum bum. Pa bum 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 pa bum bum. That's it. After this, there will be a small sequence. Just follow the instructions as much as you can. Yes, Rahul, can you play the music? Get ready, do this warm up, it is very important. You can dance, sway with the music as much as you want. Just dance, flex the body, stretch as much as you want. Come back to position. Keep swaying, gently move, do not stand. Dance along, move, swing down, move the legs, twist and turn the body up and down. Allow this movement to happen. Last round. Very good. So I hope there is some warm up which has come in the body now. You might feel little breathlessness, you may feel sweaty, and you may feel shortness of breath, palpitations. Most important thing is your muscles and tendons, the soft tissues would have toned a bit little. So once this is ready and you have good circulation in the body, then we can slip into asanas, Surya Namaskars, and we'll end it with a very short meditation here. And for this, I invite Sri Dhanapalji. Are you there, Dhanapalji? Okay, so now we will learn something called Vrikshasana. It is very effective when it comes to concentration. So, like a tree, we will be steady and we will be focused at one point. You keep your eyesight focused at one point. Pick one object in front of you, just focus and hold the attention to that aspect. Do not move your eyesight and follow the instructions as much as you can. Gently lift the right leg up, place it on the inner aspect of the thighs. Very important is to keep the focus at one object. Gently lift both the palms up, balance yourself as much as you can. If you wish to, you may interlock the fingers. Keep breathing. Have a smile. Hold the pose. Keep looking at the object. And gently and gracefully bring the hand down. Hold the ankle and release the stretch. Repeat this with the other leg. Lift the left leg up. Place it on the inner aspect of the thighs. Balance. Steady. Look at the object. Lift both the hands up. Come up. Interlock the fingers. Keep looking at the object. Keep breathing. Hold the pose. Steady like a tree. This is very useful to enhance your concentration. And slowly release the stretch gracefully. Relax the pose. Just fold both the legs and relax. Kick in front. Now, very shortly, in 3 minutes, let me teach you how to do the perfect way of doing Surya Namaskar. What you can do is, please come in front of the yoga mat on either side. Have at least 1 feet distance apart between the legs. Yeah? Great. Tighten the calf muscle, tighten the thighs, tighten your buttocks, widen the shoulders, chin up. Namaste posture. 1. Breathe in. 2. Hands up. Stretch taller and higher. Emphasis is stretching taller and higher. And then gently arch back. Very gently. Yoga is not gymnastics. And slowly breathe in. Put your effort to come forward rather than coming down. Come forward, forward, come down vertebra by vertebra. And gently allow the upper body weight to fall on the toe. Right leg back. Just observe right knee stretched back as much as it can. Toes pointing backwards. Front leg 90 degrees. Both the palms on either side of the leg looking up will help us to go deeper on this stretch. Keep breathing. Dandasana for 5 like an inclined plane. If you keep a football behind the neck, it should roll over. If you are lifting your buttocks up, straighten it down like an inclined plane. 6. Drop the knees, push the body backwards, bring in front. Ashtangasana. Chin, chest, palms, knees, toes are on the floor. Except the groin region, thighs is not on the floor, chin on the floor. 8. For the cobra posture, first drop the whole weight of the body on the floor. Slowly breathe in. Breathing out, chin up, chest up. Straighten the elbows. If you are stretching the elbows too much, very gently flex it. If elbows are outside, bring it close to the body. Shoulders are lifted up, drop the shoulders. Look up. From the navel region, you will see the upper body stretched. Feel the stretch on the lower back. Hold the pose. have a smile, and keep breathing. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Like a mountain. Come on your heels, toe on the floor, palms on the floor, elbows and knees are straight. Right leg in front. For the count of 4, whichever leg came back, that same leg will come in front for the count of 9. Front leg, back leg, both the palms, look up. 10. Feet together. 11. Come forward, vertebra by vertebra, and then come up. Stretch taller and higher. Arch back little, and gently release the stretch. We have successfully completed half cycle of Surya Namaskar. Let's slip into the another cycle. It's exactly the same with little modification. Breathe in. 1. Namaste. 2. Hand up. Arch higher. Taller. Arch back little. And then come forward. Vertebra by vertebra. Slowly come down. Drop the whole weight of the body, upper body towards the toe or the heel. Now for the count of 4, first half we have the right leg back. Now here just the opposite. Left leg back for the count of 4. Correct yourself. Back knee, toes, front leg, both the palms and look up. 5. Dandasana. Like an inclined thing. 6. Ashtangasana. Except the groin region and thighs. Whole body is on the floor. Chin. Palms. Chest. Knees. Toes. Bhujangasana for the cobra posture. Drop the body on the floor. Breathe in. Breathing out. Chin up. Chest up. From the navel region, lift upper body up, look up. Relax the shoulders. Elbows are closer to the body. Feel the stretch on the lower back. Keep breathing and have a smile. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet on the floor firmly. Knees are straight, elbows are straight. If you want to go deeper on the stretch, can you push the palm? Feel the stretch on the calf muscle. If you have muscle cramps, slowly release the stretch. Left leg in front. So you would have observed for 4, we have taken the right leg back. For the count of 9, we are bringing the left leg in front. Now, palms on either side. 10, feet together. 11, come forward. Come up. Arch higher and taller. And arch back a little. And release the stretch. Keeping the eyes closed, you may gently sit down wherever you are. Body still. Eyes are closed. Observe the breath. Observe the sensations. Observe the speed of your breath. Observe the temperature of your breath. Take a normal breath in and breathe out completely. One more long and deep breath in and breathe out. Just observe the breath and observe the sensations. What's up? Take a long deep breath in and breathe out through the mouth. And relax, eyes closed, body still like statue. Now let's
sit comfortably easily.
Rahul. Now, keeping the eyes closed, let's experience a very short guided meditation by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji. Side effects of meditation is concentration, stillness, calmness. A lot of benefits of meditations are there. But what is meditation? The art of doing nothing. Just simply doing nothing and being still. So not wanting anything from this and not even having an attitude of I am doing something. I may get this benefit out of this process. Just none of these things. Being still and following instructions as much as you can. Preferably keep your eyes closed so the attention is totally inwards. Let's explore the world within. What is happening in this body? What is happening in this breath? What is happening in this mind? Let's go deep within inwards and follow these instructions as much as you can. Eyes are closed.
Sit comfortably easily. With our spine erect and body relaxed and loose. Let's close our eyes. Let's take a deep breath and slowly breathe out. Once again, take a deep breath. Hold the breath and slowly breathe out. As you breathe out, relax your arms. Once again, breathe in. As you breathe in, the body gets a little tense. Hold the breath. And as you breathe out, relax your whole body. Listen to all the sounds, noises in the environment. And you are at ease within. You are in harmony with your environment right this moment. Breathe in again. And slowly breathe out. As your lungs empty, they get more and more relaxed. Breathe in and fill your lungs with the breath. And as you breathe out, relax. Become aware of the weight of your body. Whatever that is, 40 kilos, 50 kilos, 150 pounds, whatever. Place that entire weight on the seat you are sitting. Breathe in again and breathe out. Now keep a smile on your face. And breathe in with a smile. Relax all the muscles in your face. And as you breathe out, relax more and more. Become aware of your body. Your body is a beautiful instrument, a precious gift to you from nature, from God. Honor and respect your body. Take your attention to your legs, right leg. Relax your right leg. Left leg. Left thigh, hips, genitals, abdomen, stomach, navel region, the right arm, left arm, chest, shoulders. Breathe in again. And slowly breathe out. your neck, lips, your cheeks, breathe in again. Become aware of your nose. Breath is flowing into the nostrils. And breathe out. And become aware of your breath. Your eyes are closed now. Let them relax. Your entire face, your head. Relax the whole body. You're grateful for this body. Become aware of your breath. The breath is moving in and out of the body, keeping this body alive. We're grateful for the breath. Again with a big smile, breathe in, savoring every inch of breath you breathe in. And as you breathe out, relax more and more. Relax all the muscles and nerves in your body. Let go. Relax. Become aware of the thoughts. Whether good thoughts or bad thoughts, let them be. Breathe in again. And slowly breathe out. As slowly as possible. Become aware of your mind. Your body is like a wick of a candle. Your mind is like the glow. Become aware of your mind all around your body. Become aware of your feelings, whether pleasant or unpleasant. Let them be. Breathe in again and let go. You are in harmony with your feelings right this moment. Just breathe in again and let go.
Let's take a long deep breath in and breathe out completely. மீண்டும் ஒரு ஆழமான மூச்சு உள்ள எடுக்கலாம் and breathe out. நிதானமா வெளியே விடலாம். Slowly become aware of your body and surrounding. Become aware of this incoming breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Very slowly and gently, you may open your eyes with a bigger smile. Very good morning. So, a weak mind cannot carry the strong body. Yeah. See, how much ever we are strong physically, but if you have the weak mind, you cannot carry this body, right? So, but a strong mind, irrespective of however bad your physical health is, it can carry it forward when you're super strong mentally. And yoga makes you extremely powerful from within, extremely skillful. It develops you so many skills, and it is the India gift to the world. So in this occasion, I would congratulate all the participants and the organizers, sponsors, SRM University more specifically, because they have been pioneers in the field of education, spreading very high standards and setting high standards for education. I congratulate the sponsors, SRM management, and all the students of yoga who were so enthusiastic to come on this day at the time of pandemic, and then setting the message straight. Promoting health, happiness and healing at this juncture is so crucial and important, and this is what Art of Living has been doing for past 40 years across 160 countries, and it has touched more than 750 million lives. So Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar ji has been our inspiration and guiding us, showing us the path of spreading peace and love and creating a stress-free individuals, and thus creating a violence-free society. He feels this is how we can achieve the world peace. So at this time, I also take a moment to congratulate and then express our gratitude to Sri Aurobindo Society in Puducherry, where they were so accommodative, and they gave us this hall for this venue, and I thank the Art of Living desk, Art of Living Yoga desk, Sri Sri Yoga desk, and Sri Sri School of Yoga. I invite each and every one of you to experience our various Art of Living programs. Definitely Sri Sri Yoga and our unique program, where unique technique what we teach is called Sudarshan Kriya, and it's been a pleasure spending such a 45-minute time and witnessing what has happened in the morning. It's been a pleasure, and this session was supposed to co-teach along with me by Sri Dhanapalji, who is a very senior yoga professional from Tamil Nadu, and due to some technical glitch, I think we were not able to get his audio or video. So thank you so much, Vimal and Mridula and Indu, Jeffrey, everybody, every single person who put their efforts to bring this event. And it's me, Dr. Selvanathan. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and over to you guys. Mridula, if you have time or you want to take some questions from people, that's up to you. You can take a call. Hey, thank you so much, guys. It's been a pleasure talking to you for past 2 days, and glad that we could pull it off. Thank you so much. Thank you.